Hi everyone, I'm Johnny Rowe. Welcome to Johnny Rowe Cooks. Today we'll be making spicy bulgogi, one of my go-to dishes at home. It's very easy, it's simple. You can make it on the fly, very fast. Shall we get started? The veggies that we need to make our veggie bulgogi today are an onion, carrots, green onion, some finely minced garlic, and a zucchini. So that's it. That's everything. So pretty much the only optional item I'd say out of all of these veggies are the zucchini. Just gonna get a bowl here. I'm gonna add my onions and my carrots in this one. I'm gonna cut the onions into strips, straight down the middle, and then just cut it like so. Just gonna take these and put it in my bowl. Next, I'm gonna matchstick these carrots. What's up? In a separate bowl here, I'm gonna add our zucchini. Zucchini you wanna make strips out of as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it straight down the middle, turn it, and then just slice it like so. Add that to my small bowl. We have to mince enough garlic to get 2 tablespoons worth. Finely minced. Next up, we're gonna slice our pork belly into bite-sized pieces. Today I've got about 500 grams of pork belly here. So here's our pork belly, and we're gonna cut it approximately 1.5 inches in length. Nice stack, just cut it through. There we have it. We've done our prep work. If you see a red dish, it's likely it's gonna have some gochujang. So here we go. We're gonna get 1/3 spoons worth of this gochujang here. Just gonna use my fingers. It's so sticky. It comes out easier when you do it like this. Just like that. After we've added our gochujang, we're gonna add some red pepper flakes. So if you think that the gochujang adds the spice, it's actually usually the red pepper flakes that makes it spicy. So if you can handle a lot of spice, if you like spicy food, then get spicy red pepper flakes. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our red pepper flakes. 1, 2. It doesn't really matter what order you put these ingredients in, as long as they're in with your meat, of course. That's all that matters. Next ingredient I have is just some regular sugar, white sugar. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of this. Let's add our 2 tablespoons worth of garlic here that we minced up. This is about 2 tablespoons worth. I'm just gonna dump it all in there. And your last ingredient is simply 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then I'm just gonna take my hands and give it a good mix. Oh, look at that. You can smell the combination of the gochujang and the garlic. It smells really nice. There it is. Beautiful. Let's start cooking this. This is the easy part, guys, the cooking. We're just gonna throw everything together into the pan and just stir fry it up and enjoy it. It's gonna be delicious. There's one last thing we need to do, and that is simply just to add a little bit of water in the middle of cooking. I'll show you how that's done. Let me just put this all in. Just evenly spreading this out a bit. So I'm just adding like 1/2 cup of water. And now I'm just gonna add our veggies. Just dump it all in there. Let's not forget to add our zucchini. So here's our zucchinis. Just gonna add that. I'm gonna keep the lid off just to further reduce it, make a thicker sauce there. And the last thing we're gonna do now is cut our green onion. Just gonna cut it like this. You can definitely feed about 4 people with this amount. Here it is, our 제육볶음, or our 돼지 bulgogi, our spicy pork. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. I'm starving. Just gonna take some of our green onions. Roasted sesame seeds here, just to bring it to life a little bit more. A little more color. I'm just gonna plate some rice and then just get some of that meat and all the vegetables, and I'm just gonna put it right over the rice with the sauce, and it's gonna be so yummy in my tummy. Just put that on top. Wow. Just gonna garnish. Ooh, yeah. This is gonna be so good. So let's get a piece of meat here with some zucchini. Take a look. Very good. And I didn't even marinate this for a couple hours. I just did it real quick. Here we go, rice and meat bite. It's the best 제육볶음 or 돼지 bulgogi recipe that you can find on YouTube. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next episode. Thank you.